Where's the baby Ayana? Where is the baby Ayana? Good morning. Where's the baby Ayana? Good morning, baby Ayana. Where's the baby? Oh. Got something in your eye. Let me see. Let me see your eye. Come here. Show me. Bulaga. Hello. How is the baby Ayana? Good morning, my baby Ayana. Good morning. Oh. Batang ito. Niloloko lang ako. Hindi naman natulog talaga ng totoo. Yung tulog na. Tawa siya. How's the baby? Yung tulog manok ikaw? Nakadapat na talaga siya natutulog mga shots. Ganyan na talaga siya. Kaya nag-iisip na ako kung tanggalin ko to siya ng kanyang crib. Ano, baby? Kasi yung ano niya, yung lapad niya, kasya na yung kanyang yung sukat ng kanyang katawan. Baby, why you look so serious? I'm explaining here. Yung haba niya ba, yung lapad niya, kasya na yung katawan niya, hindi na siya makakaikot talaga. Kasi inisip ko pag yung paa niya, sinandal niya dito sa sa kahoy, tapos i-push yung sarili niya, mauumpog siya dito sa kabila. So, yung tulog niya is paganyan na siya, oh. Baby, diba? I'm thinking of removing your crib. Parang wala nang silbi. Para bibili tayo ng playpen. I think playpen is the best idea for you, baby Yana. So, you can play also. Yeah? We'll ask daddy to buy you playpen. Yeah? I think so. Pagastusin na naman natin tatay mo. Yes? Why my baby looks so serious, my baby Yana? What about baby Yana? Pinagod mo lang ako kakahili-hili kanina, tapos ganyan lang pala yung gising mo. That's the baby Ayana. Say good morning. Good morning, titas. Good morning. Nakadapat na talaga yan siya natutulog mga shots. Kaya nag-aalala na ako minsan pag nakakadapat na siya pero hindi siya nakakabalik pag pagtihaya. Kaya tingnan mo matulog yan siya. Iniisip ko, tanggalin ko na to. Magkakabili kaya tayo baby ng playpen? Ano kayang say ng daddy mo? Parang may sipon na naman ako. Ako naghahawa na tayo ng sipon. Tatay mo, yung kapatid mo, nagsipon. Nandito na naman sa akin. Ay. Say, good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, good morning. Duwal-duwal na to. Kagigising lang ng baby ko. Pero kanina pa po yan siya nagising. Natulog lang siya ulit, diba, baby Yana? Good morning, baby. Oy. Morning, say good morning, titas. Kamali ko, isang kamay lang hinahawakan ko. Ha? Screw mo. Are you going straight to work, babe?
Yeah. Why?
You're not going to come back here? Why?
It's busy today, babe. Got a lot of things to do.
You don't even have enough sleep?
What to do? We have to make this thing work.
Ayana's milk.
Huh?
What about Ayana's milk?
Milk?
Yeah. Should I ask Nicole to come and get it from there?
Yeah, I'll tell you what. First I'll go finish the meeting, then I'll go buy it and then ask her to come pick it up.
Okay. Okay, okay. Yeah, na baby. No more milk for you. Diet. Your own diet. Huh?
Yeah, the milk is there.
Yeah. Ayana's milk.
Huh?
What about Ayana's milk?
Milk?
Yeah. Should I ask Nicole to come and get it from there?
Yeah, I'll tell you what. First I'll go finish the meeting, then I'll go buy it and then ask her to come pick it up.
Okay. Okay, okay. Yeah, na baby. No more milk for you. Diet. Your own diet. Huh?
Yeah, the milk is there.
Yeah.